Dear students, today we are going to start Newton's formula for interpolation. In this topic, first topic is Newton's forward difference, Newton's forward difference interpolation formula. Interpolation formula. Newton's formula. Okay. We consider the function. Y is equals to f of x defined. Y is equals to f of x defined on the interval. x0, xn. Divide the interval x0, xn such that x0 is less than or equal to x1, which is less than or equal to x2, less than or equal to, and so on, less than or equal to xn, and the values of x being equally spaced that is xi is equal to x0 plus rh. xi is equal to x0 plus rh. Here I runs from 0, 1, 2 and so on up to n. And h is called interval of differencing. H is called interval of differencing. Assume that f of x is a single valued function, and continuous, and that is known explicitly then the values of f of x corresponding to certain given values of x, say x0, x1, x2 and so on, xn, can easily calculated and tabulated. Therefore, the given set of values order pair x0, y0, order pair x1, y1 and so on up to order pair xn, yn of x and y. We obtain a polynomial we obtain a polynomial yn of x of nth degree such that y and yn of x agree at the tabulated values. Now yn of x is a polynomial of nth degree. Okay, see here Newton's forward difference interpolation formula. Here we have considered the function y is equals to f of x, which is defined on the interval, closed interval x0 xn. Divide this interval such that x0 is less than or equal to x1, less than or equal to x2, and so on up to less than or equal to xn, and the values of x being equally spaced, means difference between x0 and x1 is h, difference between x1 and x1 is h. Okay, and this h is called interval of differencing. Assume that f of x is a single value and continuous, that is known explicitly. Then the values of corresponding to certain given values of x, say x0, x1, x2, and so on up to xn, can easily calculated and tabulated. Therefore, the given set of values, order pair x0, y0, and so on, order pair xn, yn of x and y, we obtain a polynomial yn of x of nth degree such that y and yn of x agree at the tabulated value. Okay, now this yn of x is nothing but a polynomial of nth degree, yn of x is a polynomial of nth degree, and it can be written as, I will write here, yn of x is equal to a0 plus a1 into x minus x0 plus a2 into x minus x0 into x minus x1 plus a3 into x minus x0 into x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus and so on up to an x minus x0 into x minus x1 and so on. Here is 2 and here is 1. So this term can be written as up to x minus xn minus 1. Okay. The Newton's forward difference interpolation formula is yn of x is equal to y0 plus p into delta of y0 plus p into p minus 1 upon 2 factorial into delta square of y0 plus p into p minus 1 into p minus 2 upon 3 factorial delta cube y0 plus and so on up to p into p minus 1 into p minus 2 and so on up to p minus. Actually here is n minus 1 minus p minus n minus 1. This become p minus n plus 1. So here last term is p minus n plus 1 upon n factorial into delta raised to n of y 0. Here x is equal to x0 plus ph. Okay. See here what is Newton's forward difference interpolation formula. Student, you have to remember this formula. Formula is yn of x is equals to y0 plus p into delta of y0 plus p into p minus 1 upon 2 factorial delta raised to 2y0 plus p into p minus 1 into p minus 2 upon 3 factorial delta cube y0 plus and so on up to p into p minus 1 into p minus 2 and so on up to p minus n plus 1 upon n factorial into delta raised to n of y0. And here x is x0 plus ph. Okay, we will see example based on this formula. Okay, let us take example 1. First example is find the cubic polynomial. Find the cubic polynomial in x for the given data using Newton's forward difference. Using Newton's forward difference interpolation formula and hence obtain y of 6. Okay, you have given x values of x and y. X, y 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When x is equal to 0, value of y is minus 3. Here is 3, 11, 27, 57, 107. Okay. To solve in this type of problem, we have to first construct the forward difference table and then we have to apply Newton's forward difference formula. Okay. We construct forward difference table as follows. Okay. X, y, delta square y, delta cube y, delta raised to 4 y. Okay. We have given that 0, 1, here is 2, 3, 4 and 5. Corresponding values are minus 3, 3, 11, 27, 57, 107. Okay. We have to calculate first order differences. It is, see here 3 minus 3 is 6, which is equals to delta y0. This is 11 minus 3 is 8, 27 minus 11 is 16, 57 minus 27 is 30, 107 minus 57 is 50. Next, we have to calculate second order forward differences. This is nothing but difference of these two. 8 minus 6 is 2. This is delta square y0 is equal to 2. 16 minus 8 is 8. 30 minus 16 is 40. 50 minus 30 is 20. Next is 8 minus 2 is 6. This is delta cube y0. Okay. 14 minus 8 is 6. 20 minus 14 is 6. Okay. Next is 6 minus 6 is delta raised to 4 y0 is equal to 0. Here is 0. Here we will get 0. So no need to calculate next order forward difference. Okay. And you know that very well this is x1, x2, x3, x4, x5 and this is x0, x1, x2, x3, x4 and x5. Therefore it is y0. This is y0. y1, y2, y3, y4 and y5. From given data, observe that from given data we have what you have x0. This is your x0. x0 is equals to 0. h is equals to 1. h is equals to 1 means interval of differences. Here here difference is 1, here is 1. So here you get h is equal to 1. Therefore, and you have a formula that x is equal to x0 plus ph. So you will get p is equal to x minus x0 upon h. So therefore we will get p is equal to x minus 0 upon 1, which is equal to x. Okay. Now by Newton's forward difference interpolation formula. Y of x is equals to y0 plus p into delta of y0 plus p into p minus 1 upon 2 factorial into delta square y0 plus p into p minus 1 into p minus 2 upon 3 factorial into delta cube of y0 plus and so on up to p into p minus 1 and so on up to p minus n plus 1 upon n factorial into delta raised to n of y0. Okay. Now put the values of x0, y0. Now putting y0 is equals to minus 3, delta of y0, here delta of y0 is 6, delta square of y0 is equals to 2, delta cube of y0 is equals to 2, delta cube of y0 is equals to 6, and delta raised to 4 of y0 is equals to 0, and p of x, p is equals to x in above equation, means this equation, in above equation. So we will get y of x is equals to y0 is minus 3 plus p is equals to x into delta y0 is 6, means plus next is p into p minus 1, means x into x minus 1 upon 2 factorial. Delta square y0 is 2. Okay, delta square y0 is 2 plus next is p into p minus 1 into p minus 2, and p is here x, so here is x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 upon 3 factorial into delta cube of y0 is 2. Delta cube of y0 is 6. Sorry, here is no delta cube of y0. This is a delta cube of y0 which is 6. Okay. Plus, what will be the next term? Next term will be p into p minus 1 into p minus 2 into p minus 3. So here you will get x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 upon 4 factorial into delta raised to 4 of y0 which is 0. Okay. Simplify this term, you will get minus 3 plus 6x plus x into x minus 1 plus x into x minus 1 into x minus 2, which is equal to, therefore y of x is equal to x cube minus 2x square plus 7x minus 3. This is the third degree polynomial in x for the data by using Newton's forward difference interpolation formula. We have to also calculate y of 6. Just substitute x is equal to 6, we get y of 6. 6 cube minus 2 into 6 square plus 7 into 6 minus 3. Therefore, y of 6 is equal to 183. Okay. Simplify this. This is an homework to you. Okay. We will take next example. Next example is find the missing term in the following table. Find the missing term in the following table. X, we have given values of x and y 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 9, this term is missing. We have to find that. Okay. Let us see solution. We have here obviously this is x0, x1, this is x2, this is x3 and this is x4. So this is y0, this is y1, y2, y3 and this is y4. Therefore we have here y0 is equals to 1, y1 is equals to 3, y2 is equals to 9, y4 is equals to 81. And we have to find y3. Okay, we have to find y3. Since here 4 points are given, the given data can be approximated by third degree polynomial in X. Third degree polynomial in X. Okay. Therefore, delta raised to 4 y0 is equal to 0. Okay. Now substituting delta is equal to e minus 1. We get e minus 1 raised to 4 is equal to y0. Sorry. Here you have given 4 points. So given data can be approximated by third degree polynomial in X, and therefore delta raised to 4 y0 is equal to 0. Substitute delta is equal to e minus 1. We will get e minus 1 raised to 4 of y0 is equal to 0. Okay. Use here binomial expansion. So we will get e raised to 4 minus 4 into e cube plus 6e square minus 4 into e plus 1 of y0, which is equals to 0. Okay. Now multiply this y0 in bracket, you will get e raised to 4 of y0 minus 4 into e raised to cube of y0 plus 6 into e square of y0 minus 4 into e of y0 plus y0 is equal to 0. Okay. E raised to 4 of y0 is y4. Since you have already seen that e raised to r y0 is nothing but yr. Okay. y4 minus 4 into y3 minus 4 into, here is plus 6 y2 minus 4 y1 plus y0 is equal to 0. Okay. What is the value of y4? It is 81 minus 4 into y3 is, we have to find out y3, plus 6 into y2 is 9 minus 4 into y1 plus y0, which is equals to 0. Okay. This is 81 minus 4y3 minus 36 minus 12 plus 1, which is equals to 0. 54. Here is plus 54 plus 1 is 55. 55 plus 81 is 136 minus 12 minus 4y3, which is equals to 0. Okay. Simplify this, you will get y3 is equals to 31. Hence missing term is 31. Let us take next example. Example number 3. Using Newton's forward, different formula, find the sum Sn is equal to 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus and so on plus n cube. Okay. Here we have given that Sn is equal to 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube and so on up to plus n cube. Okay. Therefore, Sn plus 1 is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus and so on plus n cube plus n plus 1 cube. Sn plus 1 is nothing but one term more than Sn. Okay. Therefore, Sn plus 1 minus Sn is nothing but n plus 1 cube. Okay. Therefore, delta Sn, you know the formula of delta Fn. Fn is Sn plus 1 minus Fn. Therefore, delta Sn is equal to n plus 1 cube. Okay. Now you have to calculate delta square Sn, which is the difference of, delta square Sn is equal to delta Sn plus 1 minus delta Sn. Okay. See here, delta Sn is n plus 1 cube. So delta Sn plus 1 will be n plus 1 plus 1 cube. So it will become n plus 2 cube minus delta Sn cube, which is n plus 1 cube. Okay. Simplify this, you will get 3n square plus 9n plus 7. Okay. Use formula of a plus b cube. Here is cube and simplify. Then you will get 3n square plus 9n plus 7. Next, calculate delta cube Sn, which is equal to delta square Sn plus 1 minus delta square Sn. Okay. Again simplify this. This is an homework to you, which is equal to 6n plus 12. Next is delta raised to 4 Sn. Delta raised to 4 Sn is nothing but delta cube Sn plus 1 minus delta cube Sn, which is equal to 6. Delta raised to 5 Sn you will get 0 and so on. Means next delta raised to 6 Sn will be also 0. Okay. The fourth difference is constant. Therefore, fourth difference is constant. The fourth difference is constant. So, we have to form a polynomial. So, we have to form a polynomial of fourth degree in x. So, we have to form a polynomial of fourth degree in x. here S1 is equals to 1. Delta S1 is equals to 8. Delta square S1 is equals to 90. Delta raised to 3 SA is equals to delta cube Sn is equals to 18 and delta raised to 4 S1 is equals to 6. Okay, see here Sn. Okay, see here S1 is equals to 1. Delta S1, put here n is equals to 1, so we will get 1 plus 1 cube, which is 2 cube, and you know that 2 cube is 8. Okay, next we have to calculate delta square S1. Put here n is equals to 1, so 3 into 1 plus 9 into 1 plus 7. 3 into 1 is 3 plus 9 is 12 and 12 plus 7 is 19. So delta square S1 is equals to 90. Next is delta cube Sn. Sorry, here is S1. Here is put here is n is equals to 1. So you will get 6 plus 12, which is equals to 18. And delta raised to 4 Sn is 6, which is constant. So obviously it is as it is. Okay. Now, by using Newton's forward difference interpolation formula, using Newton's forward difference interpolation formula. What is the formula? Formula is y of x is equals to y0 plus p into delta y0 plus p into p minus 1 upon 2 factorial delta square of y0 plus p into p minus 1 into p minus 3 delta cube y0 upon n factorial plus and so on up to p into p minus 1 and so on up to p minus n plus 1 upon, sorry, here is 3 factorial into n factorial delta raised to n of y0. Now put the values of S1, delta S1, delta square S1 and delta cube S1, delta raised to 4 S1 in this formula. So we will get here Sn is equals to y0 means S1, delta y0 means delta S1, and so on. So here y0 means S1, which is 1 plus p, here replace p by n, into delta y0. Delta y0 means delta S1, which is 8, n into 8 plus next term is n into n minus 1 upon 2 factorial into delta square y0 means delta square S1, it is 19 plus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 upon 3 factorial into delta cube S1, which is 18. Okay, plus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 upon 4 factorial into delta raised to 4 S1 is 6 Okay, and obviously next term will be 0 because delta raised to 5 s1 is equals to 0. So no need to write down it. So next is which is equals to, simplify this, you will get n raised to 4 upon 4 plus n cube upon 2 plus n square upon 4. Okay, therefore Sn is nothing but n into n plus 1 upon 2 bracket square. Okay, okay, we will stop here. In next video we will discuss Newton's backward difference formula.